Hello, so today I'm going to be trying another belt buckle with the other piece of the horseshoe I used on the first one. This one is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be that simpler style where it's just something to attach to the belt and then a pin to go into the holes. And I'm going to try to make it look like a small horseshoe. So in this initial process, I'll be straightening this, then drawing it out a good amount of length. And then I'll make it not a circle, but sort of oblong with a gap at the bottom wide enough for the belt. That gap will probably be about 2 inches. And then at its thickest, it'll probably be about 2.5. And it'll be maybe 3 inches long. Sorry, I haven't done an update in a while and I have done a lot of work. So as you can see, I made the horseshoe shape that I said I would. Then I welded this nail onto the bottom, and I've been using nails as for pin type stuff. It's just easy. Then I punched a hole in the center here and used another nail to go through there. I actually had a difficulty and I had to redo this. But I put the nail through there and welded it in, and then I cut it off low, so that'll be the pin. And then I put this bend in it so that it would fit more naturally against your waist as a belt buckle. It's turned out pretty nice. Next, I'm just gonna grind it down a lot. And I use a Milwaukee wireless battery powered grinder and some grinding blades, but mostly 60 grit sanding flap discs. This is the final product. I'm much happier with it than the previous belt buckle, and I believe I could do it on a scale to sell them, make them on a scale to sell them. The only really issues I have with it, I could have done more grinding and sanding, but otherwise I really like it. It's obviously doesn't have the pin like the previous belt buckle. It just has this pin on the back and the belt goes through this loop. Also in the future, since it's already a horseshoe shape, if I make more, I might try to add small holes to mimic a horseshoe. And I did forget to put the Maker's Mark M in it, but that's a minor issue. So thank you for watching. Please comment ideas for future videos or stuff you think I should make. Thanks for watching.